So in this video, we're going to make it so that we have a second screen where after we click on the organization, we can see its name and its logo kind of have its own page. So let's create a second screen, and we will add an image to the screen. We'll kind of make it big, and then we'll add a label, and this will be like the charity's name. And for the charity's name, I guess we can increase the font size like 24, and we can make the font weight a bit bolder. And so we'll call this image kind of the logo, and then we'll call this label the charity name label, so we know what they are. Great. So let's go back to the first screen, because we want to make it so when we click on one of these, it remembers which one of these grid pieces we clicked on and moves to the next screen. So let's go to the blocks. So we can say when an item is clicked in the data viewer grid, we'll actually save which row inside of that data table we used, so that we'll remember what we clicked on. And then we'll actually go navigate to the second screen. So let's try this out. We'll hit play. We can click on a charity, and then we see it goes to the second screen. Now there's no logo, and it just says label, so we're gonna have to do some work to make it actually show up with something. So we'll go to screen 2, and here in screen 2 we'll say when it opens, we're going to set the logo's picture to be the logo we get from the data source. So we'll go to the charity's data source, we'll go to that logo column, and then we'll get the charity row that we just got from the previous page. So let's test this out. We will, on screen 1, we'll hit play, we'll click on this particular logo, and then we can see the logo. Now that logo kind of looks a bit stretched, so we're able to go here, and inside of this image we can tell the picture, instead of stretched, to basically have it be contained in this small square, and that should work. So let's do the same thing for the label. So we'll go to the charity name label, and we'll set the charity name's label's text to be the charity's name from that row. So then we'll go back to design, we'll go back to screen 1, and then test it out from here. We'll hit web preview, we'll click on this grid space, and then we see both the logo looks a bit better and the name of the charity. In our next videos, we'll add more information to this page.